Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think this is the end of a correction. I still think this first push down is a 1, and I still think this push up could be an ABC of 2. It definitely doesn't necessarily have to end here. It really could go up to any one of these Fibonacci levels, but luckily we know how to identify the end of a trend and the end of a correction on shorter time frames, so we'll know when the wave 2 is over and that we're getting ready to go down, make that big wave 3, 4, and wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame, which is where I switch back to the US dollar index, FXCM. I still think this right here is a downtrend, looks like a 5-way pattern, like a 1. I think this is an ABC right here, probably a B, and most likely this uptrend right here is a wave C. We are definitely reacting to this 61%, but like I said, price doesn't really have to stop there, but if it does do a significant break of structure on shorter time frames, then I definitely would call that the end of a wave 2 and potentially the continuation of the downtrend for a big wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 most likely. So let's take it down to that daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, this pattern actually looks like an A. It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up for a B. I think we're actually ending a wave B right now, and we're going down for a wave C. It could possibly even turn into a wave 3, but we got interest rate next week on, I believe, Tuesday or Wednesday. I think Wednesday for the US dollar. So, I mean, there's probably a really good chance that the interest rate will cause this to go up one more time at the news. But like I said, if we get the end of a trend, then that probably is going to be the continuation of the downtrend, end of a wave 2, and possibly the beginning of a big wave 3 like I was showing on the weekly time frame. Taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, definitely looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, and it is definitely making impulsive movements down. I'm not really convinced that this is a correction. I think there might be some movement to the upside, but I think we're actually going to go down to this 100% Fibonacci extension to make a wave C or maybe even a wave 3. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where you can really see the lower highs, lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high that this thing has been making. So if it does go up and do a significant break of structure to the upside, that definitely may turn us back into a buyer. But if it doesn't happen and it just continues that lower high pattern, then we just want to continue to go short every single chance we get at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, it looks like we have the end of a wave B. It looks like we're now going down for a wave C on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.